Right, I'm going to have a look at the pool area now. But before I do that, one of the subjects that crops up when they're building hotels is the issue of old ruins and what to do with them, because you're obviously going to find some when you're digging up in Paphos. Well, they found them at the Alexander the Great Hotel, and they were fortunate to preserve them. I can show you some of the tombs that are behind lock and key but still there within the hotel itself. There is one around by the car park as well, but and I come back here at night time. It's apparently very nicely illuminated. But this is the way you preserve existing history while creating new pieces of magic. And because the steps there can get very slippery, we do tend to discourage people from going down there. But it's nice to look at from afar.